Kitchen renovation companies, I am about to show you a AI bot that we have built out specifically for clients of ours that have got quotes they've sent out to kitchen renovation clients in the past that have not gone ahead. Now, this bot is designed to re-engage those contacts and to see if they're still interested in getting a kitchen renovation, and it does all the heavy lifting. So essentially, it's a reactivation campaign designed for to re-engage your contacts that have been sent quotes but have not yet purchased. So these are warm contacts, keep that in mind. I just did a video a second ago about a sales bot that we have for kitchen renovation companies, and that bot is specifically designed to handle all of your inbound leads. So everything from the ad level right through to website inquiries, so on and so forth. Make sure you go and check that one out. I'll put a link to it down within this video. Now, the question that got this, that initiates this conversation is something along the lines of, hey, it's Alice from Tradie Kitchen Renos, just wanting to make sure, or is this the Matt who we sent a kitchen renovation quote to a couple of months back, or something along those lines. So I'm just going to reply to that and say, yes, this is Matt. This would be happening via SMS, by text message, okay? Thank goodness my calendar has pinged me to call. I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still considering upgrading your kitchen? Actually, yes. Fantastic. So what's motivating you to upgrade your kitchen? Let's say, well, after your quote, we went on holiday and have done nothing since. The kitchen is 25 years old and falling apart. Sounds like you're well overdue for an upgrade. We can definitely help give you that kitchen facelift it desperately needs and tailor it to your style and budget. What specific features are you aiming for in the new kitchen? Let's say we like the traditional / federation style. Done any of those? Absolutely. We've worked with quite a few kitchens with that traditional federation style charm. We can incorporate classic elements like shaker style cabinets, heritage colours, and detail tile work to bring the frameless feel to your space. Would you like to chat more about this with one of our advisors to come up with a design that suits your home perfectly? What sort of dollars are we talking? Has it changed much from the initial ITL quote? Cost can vary based on specific sizes of materials, but to give you an idea, we had clients like Carrier and Ian and Mossman who got their kitchen beautifully renovated for under 30 grand. The initial quote you received should still be good ballpark, but for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, especially tailored for the traditional federation style you're interested in, it's best to speak with one of our advisors. They can dive into the details with you and provide precise quote. Would you like to set up a time to discuss this further? Yes, please. Yes, that sounds grand. Great, here's my calendar link. So again, this is a warm contact. This is someone that they would have sent a quote to previously. So it's kind of re-engaging and reigniting that conversation. In this instance here, you'll see it's actually sent them a calendar link. But for our clients, when we set this system up in tradiehub.net, go check that out, tradiehub.net, we will have calendars built for them with allocated time slots, which means the AI will actually be able to say, okay, great, when are you available? Cool, Thursday at 2 p.m. is fine. I'll lock that in now, and I'm going to send you a confirmation. And then it will just literally send through calendar confirmations that they can add to their own calendars. It'll send through text reminders and email reminders and all that kind of stuff, as you would expect from a typical booking tool. So yeah, pretty amazing. So if you guys have got any quotes that you've sent out over the past that haven't been accepted, hint, hint, everyone, this is a great system to help you re-engage that. Head across to tradiehub.net. I can't wait to have that conversation with you guys over there. We'll chat soon. Ciao.